Hi, I'm Allyson Lewis, founder of the 7-Minute Life, and today we are going to be talking about the very fundamentals of why I started the 7-Minute Life. 7-Minute Life was created to help you create a life with more meaning and purpose.
I want to do a job that I think really matters, but I also want to have this vision of that life is bigger.
But this is where it all started that first night. Busy was killing me. Coming into the 7-Minute Life class, I don't know what y'all really thought it was going to be, but it really is time, life, and happiness.
7-Minute Life did turn out being a little bit different than what I anticipated.
Really, I thought when I met you at Fairway at the event, I really did think that I was buying a Franklin planner on steroids. That's really what I thought. What I came away with is so much more than that.
I thought this was more about organization and prioritization, but the bigger picture is the prioritization leading to your ultimate goal.
But this made me really stop and look at it in a little bit different way, in a big different way, actually.
It's just, really cool to hear that it's touching people at the core, which I think is the best thing that could happen.
You got to show up for yourself now, and you have the choice for now to be today.
Putting effort into looking towards the future versus just staying in the present kind of thing.
Figure out where I'm wasting time and where I need to focus on, what's distracting.
But intentionality, I think, is the key takeaway for me.
So I'm very grateful for that piece. That had the biggest impact on me, Allyson.
I've had the privilege of coaching well over 20 years. And, there's something that I never really quite understood until I met you.
And what is your ultimate goal or your priorities in life and what's important to you? And I don't think that we think about that enough.
When we reconnect with what's most important to us, it does give us a bigger sense of what the future could hold.
It's pretty clear that there's been a great benefit. I mean, there's been some people's souls touched.
About the process of rediscovering ourselves and challenging ourselves. And because sometimes our worst enemy is ourselves.
Thanks for the opportunity. Thanks for your teachings.
What an honor to be with you and to share this. I hope we will stay in touch. Please reach out to me anytime. You've let me live into my purpose, and it means more to me than you will ever know.
Thank you so much, Allyson.
Thank you, Allyson.
Thank you, Allyson.
Very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Allyson, and all of you. It's been wonderful.
Want to work with the 7-Minute Life? Don't miss out on this opportunity to learn from a renowned expert in productivity and time management. Join Allyson Lewis in the 7-Minute Life Masterclass to fight burnout, focus on well-being, and discover a proven system to improve your time management. Register now and re-engage at work and in life with passion, purpose, and clarity. Email support@the7minutelife.com to join the masterclass today.